Hello lovelies, you are all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all back with me today. Lovelies, we are making these chicken wings together. This is a must try for every home. It is so direct, easy and tastes super yummy. So let's get it started. That is the chicken wings we'll be using today. This is already well washed. Okay, so I'm adding salt now into it. I'm using chili flakes. You can use chili flakes or you can also use chili powder. I'll be using ginger powder, curry, paprika powder, black pepper, thyme, vegetable oil. I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons. You can use, I'll be using 2 right now. Feel free to add garlic powder into it if you love to. So I'm adding my seasoning cube now into it. All you need to do now is to coat every chicken wings with those ingredients we've just added into it. Shout out to Mary Afesojaye for liking our recipes. Thank you so much. God bless you. That is our marinated chicken wings now. So after this, you all only need to cover it and refrigerate for 20 minutes or more, or keep it in a cold place. After 20 minutes, bring it back out and get the secret ingredient I'm about to show you now. All-purpose flour, which we use for normal baking. Just a tablespoonful of it into this, and baking powder. Now coat every chicken wings with this secret ingredient. That is my baking tray I'll be using. You can use your baking sheet if you have it. I don't have one at the moment, so I'm using my baking tray direct. Just cream it with some oil and arrange that marinated chicken wings on it. Bake in a preheated oven 200 centigrade for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is what you're going to have. Just bring it out and it is now time to flip. We need to bake the other side. Now flip over. After that, bake for another 25 minutes in 200 centigrade oven. Tra-la-la! Lovelies, our chicken wings is ready. This is a must try for everyone. Like I've said, try it and you're going to love the result. Thank you so much. Let's look at the inside. This is super juicy and tastes super delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share as well.